as you grow on Amazon, you need to make compromise, right? Because the more money you have to spend, you need to, there are some trade-offs, right? You cannot just do, like, it's not going to be the same for you to grow from $0 to $10,000 a month than from 10,000 to 20,000. And like right now I'm going to grow from 30,000 to 50,000. I made like 37,000 last month. I'm really trying to bring that. I know April is a transition month for me, but in May, I'm going to be really disappointed if I was not able to get $50,000 a month. Right? So this is going to be today's video subject. I'm going to tell you about how you need to make compromise, all your return on investment, like your margins, your strategy is going to change as you grow, if you want to grow faster, of course. But this video was suggested, and I want to give a shout out to my man, Amazon FBA guy, because this is something that I talk a lot about, and it was suggested in our Discord server. Join the Discord server, best place to ask any questions you may have about Amazon. If you want to suggest video, you can do it as well in the comments. Please do it as well in the comments, just to boost the algorithm, because with the Discord server, we have less questions in the comments ever since we got the Discord server. So yeah, ask questions in the comments as well. I'm always over there hanging out, but I'm always also on the Discord hanging out, answering questions. I never leave a question unanswered. I'm always answering every single question. We have a ticket system, so if you want to share stuff, like share ASINs and stuff that you want me to look at, you can do it through the ticket system. I'm going to be the only one, and the mods can see it as well. But like, if you don't want everybody to see your leads, just come open a ticket and stuff, and try to get engaged into the community. All right, so as I said, when it comes to growing your business, and I made a video a few weeks ago, probably a few months ago, yes, because it's already been a few months, time flies that I'm on YouTube, and I made a video on how it was going to be easier for me to double my business just by reducing the average time a product spent in my inventory by 10 days than it was going to be. Like, just watch the video, you'll see. I'll link it here if I don't forget. But like, basically, if I wanted to double my money after 1 year, I just had to reduce the time the average product spent in my inventory by 10 days, and compared to the money that I would have to inject into the business to double it, like it made more sense to actually focus on faster selling products, even if I took a hit when it comes to return on investment. And sometimes, like, you really need, there's a few levers that you can pull, and like shortening the time a product stay in your inventory is one of those levers that you can pull, and that is super powerful, right? So when you focus on higher faster selling inventory, sometimes you're gonna take it with return on investment, because I want to spend my money on those items that sells fast, and I'm not looking that much at products that, how to say that, at home run products. I think this is the right terms, because when you have less money, it's way easier, because you do not have to spend as much money every single day, if you want to keep your business like rolling. I want to keep my business rolling, so I'm trying to spend money every single day, because right now, I received a loan not too long ago and stuff, so I'm really trying to spend upwards of $1,000 a day. Right, I'm really trying to spend more than that, because if I don't, the money is gonna stay on my account, and it's just gonna, I'm gonna lose money, because the longer the longer money stays on my account, the more money I lose, because I have a loan, as I told you, from Amazon, so I'm gonna lose money to interest. I'm gonna lose money to just opportunity cost, because I'm not gonna be able to flip my money as fast as I want to, and so I'm gonna lose money at the end, right? So this is why, sometimes you need to take a hit when it comes to return on investment. I always try to focus before that, especially when I was doing retail arbitrage. Like, if something was below 70% return on investment, it was not good for me, because I really tried to focus on stuff that was higher. And a lot of my products were above 100%, 150%. A lot of my shipments were 200% return on investment, because I only focused on highly discounted items, right? From ROS, from stuff like that. And you can find a lot, depending on the period, you can find a lot, you can go upwards to 200% return on investment, depending on what's available, what's available at this time in stores, and you need to hit them every day to find this stuff, right? But the more you grow, the harder it is to spend your money on home run products like that, because you're just going to run out of home runs, like of unicorns, right? You need to take a hit when it comes to return on investment, and just focus on a faster selling product to keep growing your business, right? So when I was doing retail online arbitrage, the lower when I started, the lower I would go was like 50-60% return on investment. no, I'm really, I'm growing, I need to spend more money every single day. And the thing also is that, if I fix as a goal that I need to spend $1,000 every single day, like if I stop sourcing, if I stop spending money for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, like I will have to catch up, like, because you do not have to spend the money every day, but if you don't, you need to catch up, right? You need to catch up and spend more money like the next week. Just you need to keep it as an average, right? And if I stop sourcing for 3 days, I will have $3,000 to catch up on, all right? And it's not going to be that easy, right? And the more I wait, the less I spend money the previous days, the more I will have to catch up. So this is why it's better for me to take a hit on return on investment and just spend my money every single day on fast selling product, right? Because it's going to be, if I don't, it's going to be super hard to catch up. And at one point, it's just not feasible anymore, right? And I want to keep scaling the business. I want to grow the business as fast as possible. And this is why, sometimes as you grow, just you need to remember your, like, how much money you want to spend every single day, make a calculation, and start really spending that money. If you will need, as you grow, you will need to take a hit on return on investment. Right now, if a product sells super fast, I may go down to 30% return on investment. I will go a little bit under that from time to time. I'm sorry. I will go a little bit under that from time to time, but not that much, if it sells really fast, I may go down to 25% sometimes. But yeah, and this is something that I would not do at all when I was starting, especially when I was doing retail arbitrage, because you want to find product that sells. If you do retail arbitrage, you have less capital, and so yeah, but you want to keep the ball rolling, keep the ball rolling, keep the ball rolling. And as you grow, your return on investment may go down from time to time. So especially, for example, right now, we are in April, the beginning of the month. I felt like there was not as many promotion as there were the months before, the two months before. So, you need to keep the ball rolling, keep learning about new retailers and stuff, but you still need to spend money every day and keep the ball rolling, keep your business rolling. And this becomes even more true if you start doing it really big. You have a warehouse, you have employees, you're paying your employees anyway, so you need to send product in, right? Especially like if you're really doing it at the bigger scale, if you start doing wholesale and stuff, you need to send product every day to keep your team busy. So if not, you're losing money, right? You need to keep your operation rolling. And so as you grow, the more you grow, the more sometimes you need to take it when it comes to return on investment to keep the ball rolling, right? So yeah, that's today's video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and watch on the screen right now for if you want to watch other videos on how to sell on Amazon, if you want to learn more about my philosophy and stuff. And I'll see you tomorrow. I release a new video every single day. It used to be at 3 p.m. Now I'm testing different times. We'll settle on the time soon. So thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.